来，Ghost Tan is here to tell the people who are born in the year of Rabbit your luck for this year. People who are born in the year of Rabbit, this is a very interesting year for you. Why? Because you have ups and downs, goods and bads. So you have to learn how to 见观其变. You need to be more discerning. Your lucky color will be blue and silver. So wear more silver jewelries, okay? And those people who like to wear blue, put on more blue clothing, wear more jeans and blue dresses. Your lucky number will be 2 and 8. You will have a not so good start and a not so good end. But in between is a what time for you, okay? What in terms of happiness? You will be generally feeling very happy this year. This year will also bring you passion, warmth, love, and your joy of life. You will be appreciative to the people around you. You will feel the love for the people around you. And because you feel the love for people around you will want to give you more love. However, you will face with challenge in love in the first 3 months of this year. For those people who are in a relationship, stay close. Look at the problem from an objective point of view. Don't think that your partner is giving you problem. Think about how you and your partner are facing the problem together and solve it together. For people who are trying to get pregnant this year, this may not be a very good year. 冻结. Hold your horses or use contraceptive, condom or anything that works for you. The people that you can work with in a relationship or in a business or in friendship are the people who are born in the year of goat and pig. These people will help you to thrive in every aspect of your life. You have to stay focused. Try not to be too airy-fairy. Your work will be affected. You don't want that to happen. Your bosses love you, your colleagues love you, but do not take advantage of them. Be nice to them and work hard. Hello everybody, my name is Ghost Tan and I'd like to wish everybody 恭喜發財，新年快樂，and 屋事哇！